Crate training helps with house training and gives your puppy a safe, comfy space. When done right, the crate becomes a cozy spot where they feel secure and relaxed. Here's a step-by-step guide to successful crate training. Start by placing the crate in an area where your puppy will spend most of their time, like the living room. Make it inviting with soft blankets, a dog bed, and their favorite toys. Scatter some treats around and inside the crate to encourage exploration. Never force your puppy inside, let them enter on their own, so they feel comfortable. To create a positive association, begin feeding your puppy near the crate. If they are comfortable, place the food bowl or water bowl just inside the entrance. Gradually move it farther back, until they are eating fully inside. Once they are eating inside, close the door while they eat and open it when they are done. Slowly increase their time in the crate after each meal. Use slow feeder bowls to make mealtime last longer, because slow feeder bowls help prevent choking, improve digestion, and reduce bloating by slowing down your dog's eating pace. A Fayaboo dog crate lick plate is a great tool for keeping dogs calm and engaged while in their crate. Its slow feeder design helps prevent fast eating, reducing choking and digestion problems. The textured surface soothes anxiety by encouraging licking, which releases calming endorphins. Easy to attach and clean, it makes crate time more enjoyable for your pup. After your puppy is comfortable eating inside, start closing the door at mealtime. The first time, open it immediately after they finish eating. Gradually extend the time they stay inside with the door closed. If they whine, wait for them to stop before letting them out, otherwise, they will learn that whining gets them released. Once your puppy is comfortable in the crate, start leaving them inside for short periods while you are in the room. Gradually step out for a few minutes, then extend your time away. When they can stay in the crate for 30 minutes alone, you can start crating them for short periods when you leave the house. For the first few nights, place the crate near your bedroom, so you can hear if your puppy needs a bathroom break. If they whine, take them outside. Keep it strictly a bathroom trip, then return them to the crate. If they do not react, they likely just want attention, so ignore the whining to prevent bad habits. Puppies under 6 months should only be crated for a short time, following the rule of 1 hour, plus their age in months. For example, a 3-month-old puppy should not be crated for more than 4 hours at a time. Adult dogs, on the other hand, can stay in a crate for up to 6 hours, but they should be given regular potty breaks and plenty of exercise to ensure their well-being. With patience and consistency, your puppy will see the crate as a safe and happy place, making life easier for both of you.